Alright, let's talk about the distance between 2 points. And this is under subtraction, but it's more than that. Sometimes you have to add, sometimes you have to subtract. So let's say we were trying to find, I don't know, maybe the distance between -4/7 and 2/7. Well, in this case, because we have lovely denominators that are all the same, otherwise known as common denominators, we can really just count since all the spaces are marked. And we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are 6/7 apart. That one's pretty easy. But what if you get a mess like this and it says to you, I want to know the difference between -5/3 and maybe, I don't know, 2/3. Now if you want to do these problems, always find a common denominator first. In this case we have a common denominator. But how would we find the answer? Well, I know it takes 5/3 to get to 0, because -5/3, the absolute value of it is 5/3. Then it takes another 2/3 to get to 2/3. So 5/3 and 2/3, well, that equals 7/3. So these two numbers are 7/3 apart. All right. Now, what will this look like in a word problem? Let's say we have a boat that is 2.6 meters above the ocean. Directly beneath the boat, a diver is swimming 3.9 meters below the ocean surface. An airline extends from the boat's deck to the diver. What is the minimum length of the hose? Well, if I've got the water, then I know that it goes up on the boat 2.6. And I know it goes down in the water 3.9. Well, I could just add those two together and figure it out. And if you add 2.6 and 3.9 together, well, you're going to get what? 6.5? Is that right? Sure it is. All right, so that's how you might see this problem in the real world.